Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. dt I will put on the right. Next, we need to do integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one we have white. This one we have octane of t, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means t equal to number 0, y equals to number 0. So we put number 0 cone here and here to find the value of c. And we have c equals to number 0. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.